Hi, in this video we are going to see about a Python project which is entitled as Human Stress Detection Based on Sleeping Habits Using Machine Learning Algorithms, which is an IEEE 2023 conference paper. Before seeing the execution of the project, let me brief about this project. So we all know that stress is increasing day by day in all the human beings, but the problem with this stress is like it brings the unfavorable events like heart attack or blood pressure increase, or bringing the diabetes kinds of lifestyle diseases also. So in order to overcome these unfavorable occurrences, so we wanted to monitor the stress level. So here in the base paper, the authors have proposed a stress detection methodology using machine learning algorithms, which is related to the sleeping habits. So here the authors have done the machine learning models like MPL, multi-layer perception, random forest, support vector machine, decision trees, Navy Bayes, and logistic regression. And they have concluded that Navy Bayes method has provided them accuracy of highest accuracy of 91.27. And also in this paper the authors have used Vector software, but we are not going to use the same as mentioned in the base paper. So we are going to implement the same using the Python, and our proposed model that we are going to implement in this human stress detection is Random Forest Classifier. And the accuracy that we have achieved is training accuracy is 100% and the test accuracy score is 97%. So here you can see the abstract of the base paper, and this is our proposed abstract which contains the model that we have implemented, Random Forest Classifier, and about the data set. So here you can see the data set contains 5 classes here. So it is being classified as 0, which is low and normal, 1 as medium and low, 2 as medium, 3 as medium high, and 4 as high. So in this way the stress levels are being classified in this data set. So I'll show you the data set part now. So in the source code we have this upload.csv file where you can find the data set. So here you can see the data set with the features of ID, SR, RRT, LM, BO, REM, SR, HR, and SL. So now let us see the details of it. So SR is snoring range, and R is respiratory rate range, and T is blood temperature, and LM is limb movement, BO is blood oxygen level, REM is eye movement, SR is sleeping hours, HR is heart rate, and SL is stress level. So you can scroll down till the end of the page, you can find that it contains around 630 dataset records with the various factors of it. So these dataset is being referred from the Kaggle website, and these have been used for the training purpose of this our project. So coming back to the documentation part, and you can find the details of the training accuracy and the test accuracy that we have achieved. So this is about the abstract part, and in the existing system you can see about the existing system that is referred from the base paper, which contains Navy Bayes algorithm, and the percentage is 91.27% that we have achieved it. And these are all about the disadvantages of the existing system, and this is the proposed system and advantages of the proposed system. And here you can see the system architecture with the data set and the Random Forest Classifier and the predicted result with the classification, which I said low, normal, medium, low, medium, high, and high, and finally we'll be showing a performance analysis and graph part. So we have developed this project in Python 3.10.9, and this is the reference of the project. Now before execution, make sure that you fulfill the requirement that is mentioned in the requirements file with the exact versions of Python and the library installed in your system. So now let us see the execution of the project. So first copy the source code location, go to your command prompt. Now first go to the drive location where you have pasted the code. So in my case I have pasted the code in F drive, so I'll go to the F drive first. So now I am in the F drive. So now go to the source code location. So just type cd and give space and paste the location that we have copied and click enter. So now we are into the source code location. Now type python app.py and click enter. Now kindly wait for a few minutes. So now you can see the URL is generated. So just copy this URL, go to any of your browser and go into Google Chrome and just paste the URL, and now you can see the home screen or welcome screen of the project with the project title, human stress detection based on sleeping habits using machine learning algorithms. Now just click this login menu. So now it will be navigated to the login page where you can enter the username and password. So kindly note that this is a static login page because we have not used any database in the project. So just enter the default username and password as admin and then click the login button. So now you can see the login success message and click OK. So now it will be navigated to the upload part where you need to upload the data set part. So whichever I have shown you. So in the source code folder you can see the upload.csv. Just select that and click upload. So once after uploading, it will be navigated to the preview part where you can preview the data set. So this is the same that we have shown you in the Excel part. So this you can scroll down and you can completely you can check it out. So complete data set has been now loaded into the preview part. So in the end of the page you can find this click to train or test button. Just click this click to train or test button. So after few seconds, you can find this training finish message and click OK. So now it will be navigated to the important part, that is the prediction part of the project. So in the prediction part, you need to enter the details of the values that we have trained up. So accordingly you can just find the stress level of the human. So I'll show you with the few cases. The first case, let me enter the snoring range, that is the SR value as 45.2, respiratory rate range as 16.08, body temperature as 96.12, limb movement rate as 4.16, blood oxygen level as 95.08, eye movement as 60.8, number of hours of sleep is 7.08, and heart rate is 50.2. So now let us click the predict button here. So now you can see the printed result is low or normal. So this is the first class that I have shown you. So this is 0 class, that is low or normal. So now let me click the prediction menu again to find with the other case. So now let me enter the value as 60, respiratory rate as 20, body temperature as 96, limb movement rate as 10, blood oxygen level as 95, eye movement as 85, number of hours of sleep is 7, heart rate is 60. So now let us find the stress level for this case. So you can see the stress level detected is medium low, which is the second class. Now let me go to the prediction menu again to find the other case with the snoring range of 75.68, respiratory rate as 21.568, body temperature as 93.568, limb movement as 11.568, blood oxygen level as 91.568, eye movement as 92.84, number of hours of sleep is 4.352, heart rate as 63.92, and just click the predict button and you can find the predicted result is medium, which is the class 3. So now let me click the prediction menu again. Now let me enter the snoring range as 81.2, respiration rate as 22.32, body temperature as 90.16, limb movement as 12.4, blood oxygen level is 88.16, eye movement is 95.4, number of hours of sleep is 0.16, heart rate is 65.8. So now let's just predict the value for this, and the prediction result is medium high, which is the class 4. And let me go to the prediction menu again. Let me enter the snoring range for this case as 97.536, respiration range as 27.536, body temperature as 86.92, limb movement as 17.768, blood oxygen levels as 84.304, eye movement as 101.92, number of hours of sleep is 0, and heart rate is 78.84. and let us find the prediction result for this by clicking the predict button. And now you can see the predicted result is high, which is class 5. So I have mentioned all the 5 classes like low normal, medium low, medium high, and high. So all these 5 scenarios I have shown you with each example, so you can check with the other cases with the data set that we have trained up with. So now let us move to the next part, that is the performance analysis part. So once if you click this performance analysis menu, it will be navigated to the performance analysis part, which contains the performance analysis parameters like recall, F1 and precision value. So the recall, F1 and precision value for the 5 classes, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is being depicted here. And in the performance analysis part, we have the confusion matrix also, which contains the true and the predicted label for the 5 classes. Now final comes the chart part. So once if you click this chart, it will be navigated to the chart part. Kindly note that this is a static chart only, because we have not used any database in the project as mentioned earlier. So this chart is being pictorized based on the data set that we have trained up with. So the data set contains the 30.4 percentage of medium and low class, and 30.4 of medium class. This is the highest class which has both. And then comes the 13%, that is which contains 13% of low or normal, or 13% of high, or 13% of medium high. So the data set which we have trained up with is being pictorized in this chart part. And now let me log out. And this is all about the project human stress detection based on sleeping habits using machine learning algorithms. And thank you for watching.